In today's video, it's an electrifying showdown between two summer tyre contenders in the EV space. We got the Hankook iON Evo, a tyre made specifically for EVs, taking on the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus, a comfort-focused non-EV dedicated touring tyre. Which one truly delivers the best value for EV drivers? Let's dive in. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Hankook iON Evo set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from Autobuild's 2025 Summer EV Tyre Test. First up, efficiency. Michelin actually leads in rolling resistance, clocking in at a coefficient value of 6.51 versus Hankook's 6.81. That's a 5% advantage for the Primacy 4 Plus. But when we look at rear-wheel battery range, the iON Evo stretches out to 381 kilometers, beating the Michelin by 4.1 kilometers. That's a 1% edge to Hankook. Now let's talk about the second most important thing for EV users, mileage. The Michelin Primacy 4 Plus lasts longer with 1,800 kilometers more tread life than the iON Evo. That's about a 4% advantage, making Michelin the better pick for longevity. In the wet, the Hankook iON Evo dominates. Wet braking is 3.6 meters shorter, wet handling is 5% faster, and aquaplaning, the iON clears water a full 9 km per hour higher. For rainy day safety, Hankook clearly pulls ahead. Dry roads tell a similar story. The iON Evo stops 1.5 meters shorter in dry braking and handles 2 km per hour faster around the test track. Impressive, considering that Primacy 4 Plus is known for balanced touring performance. When it comes to ride quality, both tyres score equally in subjective comfort, but the iON Evo is quieter, 1 decibel lower at 70.2 decibel. In an EV, where silence matters, that makes a difference. Price-wise, the iON Evo is more wallet-friendly. The Michelin comes in noticeably higher with a 17% price jump. So Hankook not only performs, but saves you money too. So what's the verdict? The Hankook iON Evo impresses with strong wet and dry grip, better range, quieter rides, and lower pricing. On the other hand, the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus hits back with better tread life and classic touring comfort. If you drive an EV and value performance, go with iON Evo. But if durability tops your list, the Primacy 4 Plus is still a solid pick.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.